Pepecoin holders, is it the end? Is it all over? Is it time to pack up the bags and get out of town? We're going to be talking about that today. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So first things first, we're seeing quite a brutal sell-off. I say brutal because that's what everyone calls any percent drop of a coin. In reality, I will say, I'll be completely transparent with you guys here. Pepe on the daily time frame does look a little bearish. It looks like we're seeing an M play out, which is somewhat of a bearish formation. And I would not be surprised at all, since we've closed a daily below the 4-0-11, this turquoise line here, that we probably see continuation of the downside a little bit more. But I would say that I would like to believe that unless we see a big capitulation wick on Bitcoin, which we'll take a look at Bitcoin, it's at a very important level here, and it really has Pepe in its hands with where we're going to be headed here. But in the meantime, I do think that the level of 4-0-8387 is an important area of interest to be looking at. Guys, I've been short Pepe since we broke below this level here. I've been telling you guys that, I'm an altcoin trader and a Bitcoin investor. But guys, when the trades present themselves, I take advantage. And I've been looking at this, and I said, well, if we start to break below the bullish support trend and we start to see daily candle closures below this, I expect further breakdown to the downside in the short term, okay, guys? And I'm capitalizing on that. I'm doing, I think it's about a 20x leverage short right now, not a 75x, nothing ridiculous, no like high leverage scalping, even though that's kind of what I'm doing. I don't plan to be in this trade longer than maybe a week or two. But that being said, I'll probably just continue to raise the stop loss and the profit the lower we get, or if we see a recovery bounce. Regardless, I'll be stopped out on the profit. Now, guys, if you do want to trade with me, check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitConnect and $10 for free when you sign up, as well as a 10% trade rebate and $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin. Many other awesome affiliate links down in the description box or pinned comment down below. If you want to help support this channel, take advantage of those promotions and use these tools, guys. It's very, very useful. So I do also want to talk about what's going on in this market because, guys, over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333Blacksea. I say breaking, China banning Bitcoin again. Yes, they've banned it again for literally, no exaggeration, the 100th time. A little bit of exaggeration. But guys, if you've been in crypto for more than, 2 years, you know that China has banned Bitcoin. And if you've been in it for 5 years, you know that China's banned Bitcoin 3 times and so on and so forth. China does not stop banning crypto, and it's honestly getting kind of funny, but there is some signal in this. And I do also want to say, I did ask Grok how many times China has actually banned Bitcoin, and it came out to about 7 times. So China has banned Bitcoin 7 times, okay, guys? And let's not forget, or maybe we should forget, that China also has the most Bitcoin miners out of anybody in the world over in Kazakhstan. So very funny, interesting thing to be talking about. But that being said, there is signal behind this. I do think that whenever crypto and the stock market starts to kind of break down a little bit, you have to keep your eyes open for these headlines where it's like, okay, what's a way to create max fear? Oh, well, China's banning Bitcoin just at the same exact time that Bitcoin is down 5% from all-time highs. Just to continue to cascade, the cascade effect, just a massive liquidation event, because this is how the market makers make money, guys. And I do want to emphasize on this because there is signal behind this headline, because, guys, it's most definitely a buying opportunity. Now, it's not financial advice, but, guys, I put my money where my mouth is, and I'm buying Bitcoin. I am buying this dip. Yes, I'm short some altcoins, but, guys, what am I doing with those profits? I'm buying Bitcoin, baby. That's my plan. So, guys, if you look at this overall market here, Pepe specifically, it's down about 20% in the past 7 days, down about 2% in the past 24 hours. We are on weekend price action times, and price action is pretty, it's not so concrete on the weekend, I would say. That's a good way to put it, because it can shift around. The volatility is not so concrete on the weekends. Usually you'll see, not usually, but actually, yeah, most of the time up until really this past bull market of 2025 and this past year, the weekend price action and a Friday candle closure leading up till Monday candle open usually is very, very close to the same price points. And then the weekend is insane volatility. So that's something to keep in mind. But we're sitting at a $4.33 billion market cap. Guys, we're still okay. All right, you look at the overall market. Bitcoin is broken to $113,500. Bitcoin dominance rallying just as I predicted here at 61.64% when you exclude stablecoins. We're at 63.5%. Now, that being said, guys, I've been saying this. I expect Q3 for Bitcoin dominance to rally. I expect Q4 to see that true washout on Bitcoin dominance, to see true altcoin season. Now, this level is important where we're at here on the daily time frame and even the weekly for Bitcoin, because it does look like Bitcoin wants to retest the breakout around 110,664. And if that does play out, that's absolutely fine. That is absolutely fine. I am not against that at all. I think that that's absolutely okay to hit this and then bounce off and make our way to new all-time highs in Q4. I think there's a high probability chance of that playing out. And when that does happen, after Bitcoin does bottom out, and we move into Q4, that's when you should be expecting to see Pepe make a little bit of a reversal, in my opinion. Unless we don't see the Fed pivot, unless we see no interest rate cuts, I think that that could be a way to prevent that to happen. But regardless, guys, it really is not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, because the Fed will pivot at some point, and the money printers are already back on. The M2 money supply is continuing to increase. Asset prices versus the dollar are going to rise. It's as simple as that. So now, guys, let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish on Pepe, or do you think that it's over? Because in my opinion, I think we have a little bit of pain here, maybe some good short opportunities, and then probably getting set up for a nice move back to the upside and probably catch another 100% gain after we bottom out. So very exciting times. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you like this type of content, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Check out those awesome affiliate links down below in the pinned comment section or the description box. Take advantage of those promotions if you want to help support this channel. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.